Welcome friends. Today I'm going to discuss about the Docker installation at Windows 10 operating system. So requirement is OS as a 64-bit. So here is the Windows 7 or higher version and enable Hyper-V. Now here is the step-by-step approach. First, you need to search on the Docker toolbox and you will get that what is the latest version for the Docker to install. Here is the github.com Docker toolbox release, and I am going to go there, the release version, and download it. Okay, any of it you can download it. So I have downloaded 19.03.1, and after that when you are installing, so select all of this and finally you will get three logo. Okay, so mostly I will use the Docker quick start. Okay, next section is the disable Hyper-V. What is Hyper-V? As the Microsoft hardware visualization, it's not visualization, it's a virtualization product. It lets you create and run a software version of a computer called virtual machine. Each virtual machine acts like a complete computer running on operating system and program. Now to disable it, what I have to do, I'm going to check that where the Docker toolbox has been installed, and Docker toolbox were installed. I'm going to click on the start.sh and edit it. The 16 line number 69, you will find it, right? Line number 69. So I will replace this VirtualBox proxy environment to with this text, right? No VTX check. Okay, proxy environment @VM. So this one you need to replace it. Now first time if you don't do that, you will get lot of error during Docker quick start. After disable Hyper-V, so here everything will be fine. Okay, now you can test with the hello world, something like that. Okay, and firewall customization, what you need to do from Windows, right? It is the Windows search Windows Defend Firewall Advanced Security. Say here it is the Windows Defend Advanced Security. So I can search it here. So here I can configure the rule, inbound rule. So here I have already configured inbound rule. So how I have configured it? So click on the in the inbound rule, I click on the new rules, and after click on the new rules, you will select the custom. Okay, and after custom you will select the protocol and ports, and after that you will choose this IP address, and with this IP address what you are going to do, you are going to check your console IP config. You will see that what's your IP address, 168.56.1. so what you have to do, this IP address, what I have done, so with the I have 1 at the last digit, so 0 to 100 I am going to allow. So this IP address is going to allow, and it's making as a public and name as a Docker Ruby. And you will see that I have made that inbound rule. So this rule you need to set up. Okay, and once this rule has been set up, you will just run docker run hello world. Okay, it will run, and you will get the message shows that your installation appeared to be working correctly. So this way you can easily set up your Windows 10 operating system or Windows 7 or higher version to allow you to run the Docker command or Dockerize any application. Okay, this is the simple hello world, Docker run hello world, and it will show that everything installation has been done correctly. Hope you have enjoyed. Thank you very much.